Yesterday, I met one student. He was busy with his books. I asked him that vacations are going on, exams are already over, and then why you are sitting with your books? Are you weak in your studies? He looked at me and he said, "No, teacher, I am the rank holder of my class. I am the topper of my class." Hello students, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. Most of the students are enjoying their vacation right now. Yes, most of the students, they are just waiting for the exams to get over and to enjoy the vacation time. But do you know what the toppers do right now? For toppers, vacation is not the time to waste. Vacation is not the time to rest. For them, vacation is the best time to prepare them for the next academic year. Yes. So what exactly the toppers do in vacation? How they are different from the other students? What makes them the topper of the class? Let's see. The very first thing, for toppers, vacation is the start of the next academic year. So, start itself is a smart start for them. So, toppers, they just make a smart start of the academic year. So, what exactly do in this vacation? They make themselves perfect in the basics. If nothing, they just take their previous year's book, they revise it. Most of the toppers, they take the previous year's book like maths book and they solve the entire book once again. Yes, they revise, they make themselves perfect in the basics like fraction, decimal. They also practice even tables regularly. So, they keep themselves perfect in the basic concept. This is the first thing what they do in vacation. Then the second important point what they follow is, in the 24 hours, they keep at least 2 hours reserved for this. They don't just do this only for a day or two, but consistently they study for the entire vacation. So it's not just a tour plan or something, picnic plan for them. Just study for a day or two. No, it's not like that. From 24 hours, they keep 2 hours reserved for their self-study. Daily, without fail, they do their studies. They also follow one perfect timetable. Yes, they make a perfect timetable and how they are going to use the vacation, and accordingly, they make a perfect vacation plan and follow that. This is what the toppers do. Then the third important thing what the toppers do is, not only the revision of the previous concepts, they also prepare themselves for the next academic year. Means they at least go through the chapters of the next year. This is really the best thing what the toppers do. So when the teachers start teaching the lesson in the academic year, toppers are already a step ahead because already they have read the lesson at least once. So this is the best thing what the toppers do. Now the fourth and important point. The very big mistake, usually what the students do, they completely waste their vacation. Toppers, they never waste their vacation. Instead, they make a best plan for vacation and they give a very best start for the next academic year. Actually, this is the basic difference between the toppers and the average students or failures, we can say. Because toppers exactly they know what is the need to be the topper of the class. What exactly is the need to score best marks in all the subjects. So this is what the toppers do. So think over. Vacation is not the time to waste. But vacation is the best time to prepare yourself for the next academic year. If you too are interested to make the best use of your vacation, and if you want the help from VrushuRaj classes, just type timetable in the comment box. We will come with the best timetable for you. So if you find this video really helpful, share this video among your friends. Share this video to all your friends who are wasting the vacation. So let's make a good start for the next academic year. Let's make the best use of the vacation, and to get such interesting and useful tips, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. So my dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.